Hey guys, I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are BOSH! Today we're going to be baking
fantastic blueberry and cranberry muffins with fantastic pecan frosting.
If that's making you feel hungry, then hit subscribe because we make plant-based delicious recipes every single day and you'll get notified first. First up, we're going to mix our dry ingredients. We've got a mix of flours and sugars, which is going to add depth and flavour. Next, we'll make our wet mix. We've got coconut oil, and instead of an egg, we're going to use a mashed up banana combined with plant-based milk.
Fold it all together to get some nice air inside the batter.
Now this is mixed together, we're going to make it a bit more Christmassy with some blueberries and cranberries.
Blueberries for freshness and cranberries for sourness. It's going to be amazing. Transfer your batter into your muffin tins. Only fill them 2/3 full because they're going to rise because of that baking powder.
These are now ready for the oven. How long?
20 minutes.
20 minutes in the oven. Meanwhile, you can tell Ian whether they're cupcakes, muffins, or are they buns?
Well, we're from Yorkshire, so where we're from, they're buns.
I've never heard that phrase before, and I'm from Yorkshire. But cupcakes, muffins, or buns, let us know in the comments. Meanwhile, we're gonna bake these up. We're going to make our icing, and this one is a special one.
It's got fantastic toasted nuts whizzed up into a powder. It's got maple syrup, icing sugar. All those flavors complement those blueberries perfectly.
It's a kind of Canadian flavor combination. The pecans are gonna taste gorgeous on this icing. This icing will come out super thick. Look at that thickness. That's gonna be perfect. Oh, good catch, mate.
Hey, there we go. This icing is perfectly thick. It makes that fantastic swirly pattern which you expect to see on any cupcake worth its salt.
Like a proper shop-bought cupcake.
We need to put the cherry on top of the icing, but this case, we're not putting a cherry on, we're putting a blueberry on.
It'll look nice and pretty, just like Ian's one.
Look at that.
And then give it a try.
Oh, I will do. Oh my God, all of that blueberry has cooked inside the batter. I'll tell you something, that is a special cupcake.
That is our blueberry and cranberry muffin / cupcakes. We still haven't worked out. Let us know in the comments, is it a muffin, is it a cupcake, or if you're from Sheffield, is it a bun?
Definitely a bun, 100% a bun.
Ian's sure it's a bun. If you like this, hit subscribe because we make delicious, tasty videos like this every single day.
And if you have anything to say about this video whatsoever, please do tell us in the comment section below.
Bish!
Bash! Bosh!